Everybody, so you know we talked about going to Ollie's earlier. You know the hubby like to call it Ollie Becks. But anyway, we went there actually for coffee, but your girl, she loves aroma therapy stuff. Okay, so this is something I actually wanted to try out. It's called an Eco Bloom Spa. It's made by Eco Bloom Spa. It's aromatherapy bracelet. So you guys want to bear with me for a moment while I open it. It's a aromatherapy bracelet. So you're supposed to be able to pour your oil on these little beads so it can stay with you throughout the day. It's kind of fashionable. Nobody would ever notice. So this is actually would be really good for people who have like anxiety. I'm a super huge fan of essential oils. This one came with one basic oil. It's called Ocean Fragrance, and we're gonna smell it together. And I'm gonna be honest, so if it don't smell good, yeah, it's calming. It's nice and calming. So according to this, you know, sometimes people don't like to read directions, and I'll be honest, I'm one of them. But I want to make sure I'm doing it right the first time. They say, place your lava beads fragrance oil diffuser bracelet on a clean surface. Drop a small amount, 1 to 2 drops of fragrance oil directly on one or a few lava beads. The lava beads will hold the fragrance oil for a little while. Reapply fragrance oil as needed. So these are called lava beads. They look pretty cool. I mean, you can see the holes in them. So let me try this. I don't know. Well, it says it's supposed to lay it on a surface. So let me follow the rules the first time. This is the only thing about a brand new oil. You got to figure out where your hole at. Oh, there you go. With one. Okay. I'm just going to do 2. And I'm going to spread it across here. Oh yeah, you can smell it coming off there. I'm a big lavender.
Is it what? One hole? You put it in one hole, then you rub it around, or you just sprinkle it all over the whole bracelet?
No, it just say put like 2 drops on it throughout the whole thing. And then you
Oh yeah, I can smell it.
Yeah.
I can smell it strong.
And you can do it, you know.
Yeah,
you can smell that
it's strong
throughout the day. So for our anxiety people out there, this is a beautiful thing. And it's fashionable. So nobody will even notice what it is. And you're going to smell good all through the day as well. And this is Ocean Fragrance. I will probably use a lot of lavender. I'm lavender, peppermint, orange are my favorite scents. So that's one thing. And then, my favorite. I guess this is pronounced... how you pronounce that?
Molly?
Molly?
Not
Molly.
Not like
But
the
anyway.
other kind. Not like the other kind of Molly.
It's an
This is
aroma.
called Molly aroma diffuser.
Diffuser.
Not Molly that gets you like woo.
The cool part about this one is it comes with 10 oils.
What? Where is that? It's on the box?
Yes.
Let me see.
10 oils included.
There we go. Picture. Nice.
And so I love diffusers. I started on diffusers about 5 or 6 years ago. Anybody who's close to me who doesn't have a diffuser probably received one as a gift from me. That's how much I'm into it. It helps if you're a scent person, it helps with the aroma of your home. But it also, you know, essential oils have a lot of health benefits. So, you know, things like, how do you say it? Eucalyptus. I don't want to say it incorrectly, but that's pretty good for like people who got sinus and allergy issues. You can put it in your diffuser, and it's safer than burning a candle. Don't get me wrong, I still love candles, but it's safer than burning a candle. As you see, their word is true. This was a great price, a great deal. We have 5 bottles here. And 5 bottles here of oil. Of course, you can always tell lavender because they have some kind of purple on it. And so each bottle is 5 milliliters, which is honestly, it's not a lot. But they basically gave you 10. Instead of giving you 1 10-ounce bottles like most things would do when they give you stuff for free, they actually gave you 2 5-ounce bottles, which is cool if you like me. I'm really big about having a diffuser upstairs and downstairs. But the beginning of this year was really weird, so both of my diffusers clunked out at the same time. One just from me using it all the time, and the other one, I won't say, but somebody tried to use it without their wife and something happened to it.
Ooh.
But it's okay. And this one is the eucalyptics I was telling you about. Got 2 of those. And we have, oh, cinnamon, which is pretty cool because I didn't own a cinnamon. I'm really big on Amazon. So for you Amazon people, you can actually buy a essential oil kit, which eventually I'll probably do a review on.
And we will be having a link below. So if you want to get a diffuser, definitely click that link below.
And this is lemon, which I love lemon. Lemon will give your house the fresh smell when you first clean it. It's pretty awesome. And this is peppermint. Oh, I mixed 2 together. That was wrong. Okay, so these are peppermint and these are eucalyptics. Eucalyptics is amazing. Peppermint is too. Peppermint, I actually found out when you're mixing it into things, they tell you use a carrier oil like coconut oil or sweet almond oil and vitamin E. You can mix those into them and apply directly to your skin. Peppermint is very awesome if you have pain in your body. Super awesome. Anywho, back to the diffuser. This is actually smaller than I thought. I guess it's right according to the picture.
Yeah, that's that Molly.
Yeah, but it's smaller than I thought. So here, the cool part about diffusers again is you can plug it in. There's no bite. Now they do have mini ones where you can, you know, use a battery or charger, you know, stuff like that. But I love the plug-in ones. So we're gonna plug it in. And honestly, I've had so many of these, I really don't need to read the instructions after that. You do have to figure out though, what's your timer settings, because this will run for 180 minutes. That's your mist, that's your light. On the side here, they tell you how much water you should put in there. I always fill mine up because I let mine run for the maximum. Do it tell you? I don't see instructions anyway. Usually they'll tell you how many hours it will run up to. So this is 120 milliliter capacity. It's up to 6 hours. The built-in timer, it will automatically turn off after 1, 2, or 3 hours. So if you just left it on without setting the timer from the buttons, it will stay on for 6 hours. And the cool part about these also is that when the water runs out, regardless of what timer you have it set on, it will shut off. So just to give you guys a sample of what happens, I plugged it in. This is very light too. I use bottled water in mine because I like to keep it clean. You do actually have to clean these. People don't know that. I'm just going to give y'all a sample, so I'm not going to fill it up. Babe, I will let you do the honors of choosing the scent. What scent you want to go?
That one.
And of course, he would choose peppermint.
Yeah. That was totally random.
Yeah, one of my favorites. So the other thing is, people say they don't know when it says only use 2 or 3 drops or 4 drops. It really means it. Anything over that, people wonder why they get sick or, you know, why it might burn or something. This is highly medicated oil. Like, it's natural. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna put the top back on. This top back on. We're gonna turn this baby on. And that's just this. I'm gonna turn the light off so you guys can see.
Missed.
And usually most of these, especially the ones I get, have a light.
Nah.
This is super cool in kids' rooms, okay? See the mist coming out of it? You always want to see that. You know you're getting a good flow. I don't know if this is one of the ones where... No, it's not a multicolored. I didn't check that. But you see how the light can get dim for nighttime? That's the bright. And then it dims. Or you could just turn it off and have the mist. Do you smell it yet?
Yeah, it smells good.
Okay. So, that is my review or unboxing of diffusers for today.
Guys, this is our outro. Thanks for watching all our videos. We got a diffuser going with the peppermint in it. Hope you guys enjoy all our videos. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.
Comment below.
ASMSR Whispers.
Great smells.
See you guys on the next video.
On the next video.
Peace.
Love, peace, and soul.